If you're looking for the best HR courses on Coursera, choosing the right one can be difficult because there are many great options. In this video, I'll rank the best HR courses based on quality, ratings, and career value. Before we begin, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. Right now, you can save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. Coming in at number 5 is Human Resources Analytics from the University of California, Irvine. This beginner course has a 4.6-star rating with more than 2,200 reviews. You'll learn people analytics, HR data analysis, employee engagement, compensation, performance metrics, and talent management. At number 4 is Microsoft HR Manager Professional Certificate. This advanced certificate teaches HR technology, Microsoft Copilot, employee coaching, HR information systems, business automation, process improvement, and data-driven decision-making. It's a great choice for modern HR professionals. At number 3 is HRCI Human Resource Associate. This beginner professional certificate has a 4.8-star rating with over 3,400 reviews. You'll learn talent acquisition, employee training, compensation and benefits, compliance, employee relations, and performance management. At number 2 is Human Resource Management, HR for People Managers from the University of Minnesota. This highly rated specialization has a 4.8-star rating with more than 16,000 reviews. It covers recruitment, performance management, workforce planning, employee onboarding, HR strategy, and compensation management. My number 1 recommendation is Generative AI for Human Resources Professionals from IBM. This intermediate specialization has a 4.7-star rating with more than 12,000 reviews. You'll learn how to use generative AI, ChatGPT, prompt engineering, HR technology, workforce planning, and AI tools to improve HR processes. If you only need one course, buying it separately may be enough. But if you plan to study HR, leadership, business, AI, or project management, Coursera Plus is usually the better value. It gives you unlimited access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs. With the current promotion, you'll pay just $35.40 per month for your first 3 months instead of $59 per month. If you're ready to start learning, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.